Are you looking for the best discount on Samsung Verizon flip phone products? Amazon often offers 50% or more reductions on selected items, but doesn't promote them due to the lower profit margins. What if I told you that you could easily find these hidden gems or bargains? Would you be interested? Introducing the Amazon Discount Finder. It's really easy to use. First, select your country, US, UK, or Canada. Select electronics as main category and accessories and supplies as subcategory. Discount 50 to 100% and sort by relevance. Finally, enter Samsung Verizon flip phone as keywords and click on search. Or you can just click on the Quick Discount Finder button without using the form. You will be directed to this page. Electronics 50% off or more. Amazon Discount Finder has searched the entire Amazon's database and found these hidden bargains that may save you lots of dollars. So, if you want to find the best bargains on Samsung Verizon flip phone products, just click on the link below.
Hey, Bake Technology is here, and I am Winnie BN to show you our new phone, which is currently on sale as of now. This is the Samsung A237, and I'm going to show you this phone working on a T-Mobile network using this SIM card from T-Mobile. And as you can see on the phone, it's an AT&T phone. I'm going to show you that it is unlocked and able to be used on different carriers, GSM carriers, that is. So I'm going to put the SIM card in the battery and put it on the case. And if this phone was not unlocked, it would not be able to get a signal on the T-Mobile network. We're going to power this phone on. See the logo in the front. So AT&T's SIM card should automatically work on this phone. Okay, it's telling me I got 2 new messages, which will not happen on a SIM card that doesn't work. And at the bottom, you should be able to make out T-Mobile. Letting you know that it's on a T-Mobile network right now, an AT&T phone on a T-Mobile network. This will not happen unless it was unlocked. So there you have it. Unlock AT&T Samsung A237. We guarantee you cheapest prices in the world for best quality cell phone and awesome customer service. Come and shop at your #1 cell phone store, BakeTechnology.com.